Welcome to the Matt D NASCAR Cup Series here to start this race off. Here, that's right. We're here at Richmond Raceway for the first time for it to ever be run in the Matt D NASCAR Cup Series. And this is a beautiful track that I finished making a long time ago, about 2 weeks. So, yeah. Let's see how this race goes. We got a great lineup here. And this is a great track with racing. It's very fun to watch. Exciting racing, beating, banging, rubbing up against the wall. Today's the Fireball 400. That's right here at Richmond, the Fireball 400. And this is going to be an amazing race because this race right here has been the first time it's ever been run. Meaning, we're probably going to see a lot of wrecks. Some guys are getting loose and spinning. Some anger on the track. But they got a lot of practice and let's see how it goes. So, we got a great lineup here. We're going to go to the ones to watch very shortly. But first, we have the track facts. It's 130 No, I'm joking. It's 110 degrees outside. It's 130 degrees on the track surface. And it's clear sky, so we will not be having any rain at all. Thank you very much. Going to our ones to watch for today's race. In row 1, we got the 22 Joey Logano. He's a great driver today. He got pole position. That's a great way to do it. He got Henry Motorsports behind him, though, so he's going to have to do a lot of work and see if he can get himself another win. Because he's dominated the series ever since he's been here, but he's been tanking recently. Can he get a championship, a playoff position? Also, we got the entire team of 2311 Racing. Reddick, Denny Hamlin, and Bubba Wallace. These guys are all beasts here at Richmond, so let's see what they can do in this race. And Tyler Reddick's a rookie, so you don't even know what he can do. Rookies can make the biggest moves ever, but watch out for him. And here at Richmond Raceway, here on the road cam, we'll be back to you shortly here on the racetrack. Alright, for the starting lineup here, 22 Joey Logano, 24 of William Byron in row 1. Then we got the 4 of Josh Berry, and the 9 of Chase Elliott, the 5 of Larson, the 2 of Cindric, the 23 of Bubba Wallace, and the 41 of Cole Custer, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, the 88 of Alex Bowman, the 3 of Austin Dillon, and the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the 54, and then we also have the 99 of Daniel Suarez, 45 of Tyler Reddick, and the 8 of Kyle Busch. And we've got the 12 car of Ryan Blaney, and the 16 of AJ Allmendinger, the 6 of Brad Keselowski, and the 13 of Ty Dillon. Let's see what they can do today here, Famous Words Motorsports. Today for your Famous Words of Motorsports, we'll be going to Anonymous.
Drivers, start your engine.
And with that, we will be getting ready to crank these cars up to go around Richmond for 9 laps. That's right. We got 9 laps worth of Richmond today. So, see how this goes. Will it be a big wreck? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. It's Richmond, so let's see what happens. The green flag is out. And we are underway at Richmond. The 24 William Byron has a run on the inside. Bottom of the 22 Joey Logano's not going to give up, but he's going to get a run. The 24 is going to get loose off the back. The 9 is going to try to make a move, but the 22 is going to move down low. Here we go, lap 2 of 4 in stage number 1. The 4 of Kevin Harvick's going to go down low. Oh, he's going to make a run now. Bubba Wallace trying to make moves. Oh, Cinder, he's going to get loose up into the outside wall to get a flyby of the pack. On board Josh Berry. Here we go, let's see what can happen down on the track. We got a good run here. Lap 4 for a white flag in the stage. The 2's going to blow up the tire side by side almost, but not quite. Logano going to try and make a run, but the 24's going to go down low. He's going to hit the 22. He's going to spin off the front bumper of the 20. The 24's going to go under the 4 to win this race. That's a great win into stage number 1. You get pit stops under caution. Let's see how this goes. 24's going to take tires. The 4 is going to take tires and gas. That's going to be interesting to see today, that strategy. Green flag, 7 laps in stage number 2, the final stage. Here we go. The 24 William Byron's on the outside wall, but he's got Hendrick Motorsports 1, 2, 3. They're dominating this race already. The 22's gonna try to make a run, but he can't do nothing so far. Here they go down the back straightaway. Oh no! The 22's gonna make a big move, and there's gonna be also a wreck behind them. The caution comes out. It's a big wreck. Let's see what happened. I think the 3 of Austin Dillon just got into the 41. See what happens here. They're gonna get a very good slow-mo here. Let's see what happens here. The 3 tries to go 3 wide, gets on the grass, I guess, and he just knocked into the 41. He hit him hard, and then just hit that hard wall inside, and the 47 got collected. He just stand by, heading over to go. Bad day for him to see full speed. Bam. Just a big wreck. That's a big wreck to end their day. You see here, Ricky Stenhouse is up with Cole Custer on the outside wall. They get the medical services to him immediately. 3 of Austin Dillon getting towed down. He's out of this race. Sad way for it to go for him. He had a great race all day long, but just couldn't hold on to it. And sad things about racing is coming. You got 99 Suarez and the 13 seems to be on pit road. Let's see here, about to go green flag back in the air, and we're underway. Lap number 3. 24 and the 9 got a run. It's 100 Motorsports 1, 2, 3, 4. They got their entire team in the top 4. That's an amazing run right there. That's never been done by Hendrick Motorsports, that is. Oh, we got big moves. They're swirling. The 22 is going to get knocked around by the 6 car, and the 6 is going to make position. Here comes the 80 going to pass his teammate Larson. The Logano's having trouble on pit road. The 24 William Byron's going to get around. Oh, no. The 9 of Chase Ellis is going to slide those tires. But first, let's get a replay of what happened in the first stage. The 22 just got loose off the 24's front bumper, and he just spun his car around. So he tried to save it, but just couldn't do it. He's lucky that he did not hit the wall to get taken out. But now it's Elliott. He just got loose off the corner, seems to be in turn 2, and then just hit the wall hard and took himself out. Green flag is underway, and we just got word from Chase Elliott that he might be able to come back in the race, and yes, he is. They just took that thing out the garage, but he's going to be a lap down. Here we go, the 24 of William Byron. Going around, we got the flyby here. Lap 6 to 7, we're going to come to the white flag soon. Here we go, lap 6 and 7, the final lap, the white flag's in the air. Oh, number 24, Alina loses his tire. He's going to hit the outside wall. And the 4 of Kyle Larson wins this race. And we'll see you at Talladega for the biggest race of the season.